Today I wanted to share something a bit different with you all. I just received the YouTube plaque for surpassing 100,000 subscribers, and I thought it made sense to open it here now with you, to do what they call the unboxing. To be honest, I've never seen one up close, so let's see how it looks. The first thing I see is the letter from Neil Mohan, who is the CEO of YouTube, congratulating the channel's achievement, and underneath we have the main attraction, which is the silver plaque with the channel's name, as you can see here. And well, the truth is that I'm extremely happy. I'm very grateful to YouTube for sending me this plaque. And above all, I want to thank all of you because you've been following the channel from many countries all over the world on interesting topics. We've talked about intuition, about creativity, we've talked about many things, and we're going to keep talking. To tell you a little bit more about what I am planning to incorporate into our upcoming schedule, in just a few months, we are going to include an exciting new project that will be called Ascent to the Top. This initiative will also feature inspiring examples of real people who have successfully traveled a challenging path to finally reach their personal goals. And a little later, we're going to open the Koji Neon channel, where we'll talk about science fiction, about cyberpunk, and above all, we'll connect it with today's world, with what's happening with exponential disruptive frontier technologies, with AI, and we're going to see the impact it's having on all of us. Well, I thank you all once again. I'm really very happy, and I send you a big hug. Thank you very much.